Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through listing products from your store on Kaufland Global Marketplace using M2E. We'll show you how to create offers for products that already exist in Kaufland Catalog. If you need to add new products to Kaufland Catalog instead, check out our other tutorial. First, head over to the Listings tab in the app and select your Kaufland account from the drop-down. Find the List on Kaufland button in the top right corner and click on it. Next, choose which Kaufland marketplace you want to sell on: Germany, France, Italy, Poland, or several other European markets. Now, let's define your product settings. These apply to all products you're about to list. Start with the selling policy. Here, you'll set your product price, available quantity, and handling time. You can also apply price modifications to adjust your prices up or down by a percentage or fixed amount. This is what buyers will see in your Kaufland offer. Other product details will be provided by Kaufland Catalog. Then, move on to the synchronization policy. It determines how the app synchronizes your listings between your store and Kaufland. Finally, select the appropriate product condition for your items. Next is a crucial step you don't want to miss: your barcode source. Kaufland requires a valid product identifier to match your items to its catalog and attach your offer to the correct listing. You have several options. You can select your store's barcode field, choose a custom meta field or attribute, or enter the barcode manually. Whatever you choose, make sure the source contains a valid, registered product identifier. Otherwise, your offers won't be published on Kaufland. Happy with your settings? Then, let's move on to selecting products to list on Kaufland. At this step, you'll see products from your store that aren't yet listed. Here's a pro tip: use filters to work efficiently in bulk. You can filter items by price range, quantity, category, or other parameters. Grouping similar products together helps keep your settings consistent and saves time. After selecting all your items, click List Now. Not ready to list right away? Click Save as Draft to return to these products later. Then, M2E will validate your barcodes with Kaufland Catalog. If the barcodes are valid and recognized, your products are matched and your offers will be listed. If not, the products will show as incomplete and you'll need to assign the barcodes manually. Here's how to do it. In the Listings tab, filter by incomplete status to see products that need attention. Click Set PID, then link to existing PID. Now use Quick Search to find the correct product in Kaufland Catalog. You can search by product title, ID, or EAN barcode. When you find the right match, click to assign it to your item. Once done, M2E resubmits your offer to Kaufland. That's it. You're all set to create offers on Kaufland. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.